Assalamualaikum YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. This is your Paxton's here, and today for you guys I'm gonna do another fitted hat video pickup where I do all my latest fitted hats pickups from the last video I made and show them all to you guys. And for this video guys, I got something really special because I bought a lot since the last video, and I got a lot of heaters, I can say that for sure. So before we go to the next video, just please make sure to hit the like button for me as well as the subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate if you guys did that for me. But let's get started with the pickups. So for the first hat that I picked up, we're actually going to start off here with a bang. And this hat is coming straight from Topperzstore. And this is going to be the all black Buffalo Bisons fitted. This is such a beautiful, beautiful hat. You guys already know what to expect with a Buffalo Bisons hat. This is probably the most hyped and hottest fitted of the year so far. Any of the Bisons hats sells out, and this one coming directly from Topperzstore is no different. We have a beautiful all over black hat. We got that nice Bisons logo in all red, and we got the gold metallic outline on the front logo. The Bisons we got here sliding right through here. The Bisons colored normally. We got a little bit of that green and red outline on the jersey a little bit right there. For the side patch, we have the 2012 All-Star Game side patch for Buffalo right here. That is a beautiful, beautiful looking side patch. One of the few side patches that a Buffalo Bisons hat does come with. So there you guys can see it has a nice, beautiful metallic gold outline. And for the UV, it has this nice dark red UV right here. But nothing too crazy. It is a nice basic color, and it is a Buffalo Bisons hat, so it's something you guys have probably seen before for a minute now. But it is still a nice, clean, and very hyped hat for sure. So that is the first pickup coming from Topperzstore. The second pickup coming from Topperzstore is another heater, and that is going to be this Houston Astros prototype logo in this very nice like sky bluish color. Another beautiful, beautiful hat. Any sort of Astros hat from that they do any fitted with a side patch is honestly the hottest hat. And honestly, the Astros are probably the hottest team in terms of just the hats right now, because any Astros hat honestly just sells out at this point. But I really like the prototype logo a lot. The sky blue with this nice little hints of different reds right here really hits a lot. It reminds me of the Houston Oilers colorway for sure. But the metallic red right here with the A just pops so much. We got the white star in the middle, and then we got different shades of this nice red, as you guys can see right here. Such a beautiful, beautiful logo. One of my favorites personally that I like for sure. And for the side patch, we have the 45th anniversary Houston side patch right here, and that is in this beautiful red and white threading right here. There is a lot of this nice little metallic threading that Pat always likes to use in a lot of his hats, and it just very pops and shines very nicely here, especially in the sunlight for sure. And for the UV, it's like this lava reddish UV right here. And it's just, again, such a beautiful hat, and glad to have this one added to the collection as well. The next hat is another hyped hat, and it is going to be another Buffalo Bisons hat coming from Topperzstore. A quick little disclaimer for you guys: more than 90% of this fitted hat pickup video is going to be coming from Topperzstore. Topperzstore is my favorite hat place to shop at, and it's just so easy because Pat just drops so much heat every week at Toppers that it's just hard not to buy something from him. So continuing on with this Bisons here, this is a new colorway that Pat released last week, and it's this very beautiful mango brown color. Oh man, the logo, the front logo on this is super nice. So we got like this pinkish Bisons on the very top of the font right here. We have again this gold yellowish threading, metallic copper threading outlining the Buffalo Bisons, and then we got like a little bit of that mango right there. The whole crown itself is this nice mango color, which is super nice, and then the brim itself on the upper part is of this brown color, as you guys can see. And then again, the sliding bison is primarily white. We got the little bison color right there. The hat is like kind of similar to how the hat looks here, and super nice. The side patch is just a regular Buffalo Bison side patch, nothing that says like 25th anniversary or whatnot. It's this right here pretty much, as you guys can see. Super nice side patch right here. It has again metallic gold outline throughout it, and this side patch definitely pops for sure. Absolutely like it. And then the UV here is, again, this nice little lava reddish UV, as you guys can see. So this is definitely a perfect summertime hat for sure if you do pick this one up. Definitely gonna stand out, pop out with that metallic gold copper threading right here. And I definitely think that if you do wear this in summer, it is gonna shine on your head for sure. So another beautiful hat, another banger from Topperzstore for sure. So that is my third pickup. The fourth pickup and fifth pickup I'm gonna do actually together because they're pretty much the same exact hat and the same color. But Pat decided to drop these again on Topperzstore the same day, and it's going to be both Seattle Mariner color flips, taking inspiration from the Seattle Supersonics color. And I got both of them that came out that day. I got the M's logo and I got the S logo. We're gonna start with the S logo real quick here because this is the hat that's restocked recently a bunch of times. So pretty much with the color flip hats, it takes inspiration from the Seattle Supersonics basketball team, and it is a perfect hook in my opinion. We have the green crown, we have this like dark red or team reddish brim right here on the very top. We have our gray UV, and then both hats share the same side patch. We have this Seattle Mariners 35th anniversary side patch, which is super beautiful. It has the copper outline, as you guys can see. Seattle's in that red embroidery, and then the 35th anniversary side is in some white threading, as you guys can see right there. And for the S logo itself, the S logo consists of this very beautiful copper finish in the threading. It has the red outline, so again, if you're out here in the sun, that thing's gonna shine and it's gonna pop out super beautifully, as you guys can see. And also, we can't forget it has a little red button on the top too, so that brings a little bit of extra pop to it as well. So that is the S logo, but I'm gonna put more emphasis on the M's logo because this is probably the newest hat that Pat put out. He didn't do this one before. This is the first time that he released this one. So again, it shares the same color as the S logo. It is again another Seattle Supersonics hook to this logo right here, but just the difference is we have the M logo right here. So again, we have the big nice baseball embroidery right here, super beautiful, but then we got that M's that just again pops out with that copper metallic, man. That is so beautiful right here. So you guys see we got the M's and we got the nice red outline. It's just such a beautiful hat, man. Pat killed this for sure. And you know, maybe it is kind of, you know, I guess it doesn't make sense to me sometimes to have the same colored hat for sure, but for this one I had to continue with the hook and had to get this one because of just how different, how nice of a little bit of a change this was. So these are my fourth and fifth pickups coming from Topperzstore. So the next three pickups are coming directly from a LIDS store. It's not from LIDS Hat Drop, it is from a LIDS location. So LIDS has two collections currently that are coming out that the stores have been getting. One of them is their Oceanside Peach, and another one there is a Roy G Biv 2.0s. So to start off with our Oceanside Peach, my local LIDS store had the Toronto Blue Jays Muscle Bird, and I think this Oceanside Peach color is probably one of my favorite LIDS drop for this year because I really love navy hats, and this navy hat has such a beautiful amount of color into it because we got the peach thrown in. We got like this nice teal blue in there as well. And the Toronto Blue Jays, the Muscle Bird logo, is another one of my favorite logos as well. And they just did a beautiful job executing with the logo right here. As you guys can see, the T is in peach and a little bit of the bird is also in this nice peach color. We have that teal bluish outline, and the majority of the muscle bird itself consists of that nice little tealish blue. For the side patch, it does have an interesting side patch. It's the 100th season American League anniversary side patch, as you guys can see right here. It's pretty nice looking. I do wish they did throw like a Blue Jay side patch in, but I still like this hat nonetheless with this one. And for the UV, it has this very nice peach UV as well. So again, a great collection. I definitely want to get more of these Oceanside navy or Oceanside beach colorways from LIDS for sure, so I'm definitely on the lookout for more of them. But then the next two surprised me because I didn't know that Lids stores were getting the Roy G Biv 2.0s in. But when I saw both of these hats right here, they were just absolute bangers. So I'm going to give you a surprise. I'm going to show the first one off and I'm going to get to the second one. So the first one from the Roy G Biv 2.0 that I picked up was the New York Mets right here. And look at this beauty right here, guys. This hat all over purple. The Mets logo, we have a nice little orange with the blue outline. We got our little yellow eyelets right here all throughout the hat. A red button on the top. But then the side patch right here, just look at that. You know how hard it is to put this many colors on a side patch and still make it look beautiful, still make it look amazing. Like, look at this side patch right here. The 1962 40th anniversary Mets side patch to 2002. Wow, just look at that. That just pops out so perfectly. The Mets with the orange, then we got our yellow, then we got like our purple, green. We just got all the damn colors out here. So look at that shit, guys. That is so beautiful. And then to close it off, we have a Kelly green undervisor. One of my favorite UVs for sure is Kelly green, so I love the hints of this. So the thing with this is it's a lot more subtle too, in my opinion. I actually like this more than the Roy G Biv 1.0s because, I don't know, I just kind of felt that was a little more harder to match. But with some of these right here, especially that have like the orange front logos, it is a lot more subtle at least, or laid back to wear. So I definitely like this a lot. But the same store I went to that had this hat had this one as well, which is another absolute banger, which is going to be the Pittsburgh Pirates Roy G Biv 2.0. And when I saw this, I'm like, Jesus Christ, what the hell is this? This looks so crazy and so unique because even the Roy G Biv 1.0 was also known for it being a crazy color. But this one right here, we got the Jolly Roger logo for the Pittsburgh Pirates. And just look at all the damn colors on this guy. We got yellow, every single got in color. Yellow, orange, green, blue, you name it. Look at that right there. I would go into even more detail on this hat, but the color just speaks for itself. Same thing as the Mets though. Red button, yellow eyelets. Our new era logo is also in this green. And then again, let's get to the side patch. It has this Pittsburgh Pirates 1994 All-Star Game side patch, as you guys can see right there. Look at that. And again, the same colors as the Mets one. This side patch for this one's very nice too. It pops out a lot. Again, the execution done on these hats for all the amount of color they put into it is very, very nice. So I absolutely love this one a lot. Again, Kelly Green UV. Just not much more to say about it. You already know the gist. So there you guys go. This is the Lids store, Roy G Biv 2.0, and those were my pickups from Lids. And now for my final pickup, it is, you named it, another one from Topperzstore, and this is going to be the Texas Rangers. It is a black and red Texas Rangers hat, but it's more so the Terminator hook for this. And it gets the Terminator hook because the T logo on the very front has that metallic silver threading, and that makes that shine super nicely. We have our white and red outline for the T logo. The crown and the brim is all black. And then the side patch is our 40th anniversary Texas Rangers side hat. Excuse me, side patch, and this is a beauty right here. Again, we have more hints of that silver embroidery in the side patch. The 40th anniversary, all the text is in white, and the Texas state outline is in red. So that is a amazing side patch right here. But the hat itself is super nice. For our UV, we have again a red undervisor right here, and Pat did an amazing job on this hook. This is another hat that did re-release again, but I had to get it the second time because I missed out the first time. And again, super nice and super dope too, in my opinion. So that is pretty much all the pickups that I had for you guys today. It is a lot of hats, so I definitely maybe did rush through trying to go over some of them, but I try to get into much detail as possible on these hats as well. Definitely let me know in your guys' opinion what your favorite hat was that I picked up right here. I know a majority of them were from Topperzstore, but I can't help myself. Pat drops a lot of good shit. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite hat was. And also please make sure to follow me on all my social medias in the description below. And again, please subscribe and like this video as well. I'd really appreciate the support. But once again, guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace.